Hey folks, got a video I want to share with you today. My old truck left me stranded today. What happened, my air dryer went out. Thought I'd share this in case someone else ever needs to know this, because I didn't know this. I had to call someone that drives trucks. First air truck I ever had. But this went bad today. And what this does, it keeps water out of your system, builds up so much and dumps out the air. But you got more than one pressure relief. But I had to bypass it with this. Right here, get over here where you can see it. What I did, these two fittings, this one and this one, was in here. There's one here, there's one that goes underneath this. And these are 1/2 inch NPT, national pipe thread, like plumbing thread. And then the other side here, with the ferrules, I ain't quite sure what they are. They're a real fine thread. But what I had to do was I had to take this one out and this one out and take a 1/2 inch pipe coupler and put them together and put my two lines together so I could move. This thing got to where it wouldn't let but 35 pounds of air build up. It was all coming out the bottom, and what it was doing, it wouldn't release my brakes. So I got stuck. And like I said, this was the first air rig I've ever owned, and I didn't know nothing about it. Luckily I had some guys that was good friends and truck drivers, so they told me how to do this and bypass it. So I got home. So I'm going to have to get one of these and get this problem fixed. But I thought I'd share that with everybody in case they ever need to know. Pretty simple little deal, but it will get you home. And then what I did, before I forget, I just tucked that up in there. And that is a temporary fix. If you run it that way for a few days, you have to drain your water out of your air tank. You will get excess. Right here, mine is a little valve. But you got to manually dump the water out. So, thought I'd share that with you. Might help somebody else out. So, please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye.